The entire Thunder team, coaching staff on down to declares they're so disappointed in how they came out in the first quarter of game 3, trailing 27-12. And Durant knocks it down there for before. But you look at where that catch was. It was 8 feet from the basket versus at the three-point line. Good, strong positioning. 5 in this series. This will be a game 6. The Thunder trying to take care of that. Game 5 is going to be on ESPN Wednesday. Football shortly after.